The gaming world is buzzing with excitement as 2025 approaches, with some of the most anticipated releases just around the corner. But there's another major release stealing the spotlight: the Nintendo Switch 2. While Nintendo has remained tight-lipped about the new console, leaks and rumors have set the internet ablaze, giving fans a taste of what's to come. In fact, a slip-up by a third-party company has provided the first unofficial glimpse of the much-hyped console, sparking excitement and curiosity among gamers everywhere. The Nintendo Switch 2 has become the center of online gaming discussions. While Nintendo has officially stated that it will reveal the new console sometime in the first quarter of 2025, the exact release date is still a mystery. Early rumors suggested a spring launch, but as time has gone on, reports now indicate that the release may be delayed until the summer. Fans are waiting anxiously, hoping for more clarity on when they can finally get their hands on the next generation of Switch. Among the many leaks that have surfaced, one particularly interesting development is a job posting from Nintendo. This job listing hinted at some of the technical features that could be included in the Switch 2, suggesting that the new console will bring innovative new functionality to the table. Additionally, leaked photos of redesigned Joy-Con controllers have also fueled speculation. These images seem to indicate that Nintendo plans to maintain continuity with the original Switch design, making improvements where necessary rather than completely overhauling the look and feel of the controllers. This has led many fans to believe that the Switch 2 will retain the core aspects of the original console while improving upon them for a more powerful gaming experience. In late November, another significant leak hit the internet, this time originating from Reddit. Images surfaced claiming to show the potential design of the Nintendo Switch 2, giving fans an even closer look at what the next-generation console could look like. The reaction from the community was mixed. Some gamers were thrilled by the larger size and the improvements it might bring, while others expressed disappointment, feeling the design seemed uninspired and too similar to the original. Despite the mixed feedback, the leak added fuel to the growing anticipation for the Switch 2 and kept the conversation going in the gaming world. Just days after this leak, more leaked information emerged. This time, it came in the form of accessories, protective cases and screen guards specifically designed for the Switch 2. These leaks hinted that Nintendo is preparing for a major release, and it looks like the company is serious about offering a more refined and well-supported console. The presence of accessories already being designed and leaked further signals that the release of the Switch 2 is imminent and that Nintendo is moving forward with production at full speed. Then, a major revelation came from an unexpected source: an accessory manufacturer. Satisfy, a company known for its ergonomic gaming grips, inadvertently revealed the Switch 2 in a promotional video for its Zen Grip product. The video, which showcased a prototype design of the console, quickly went viral across social media, sparking a wave of excitement from fans. Unfortunately, the video was quickly taken down, but by that time, many had already saved and shared the images, further fueling speculation and excitement. While the quality of the leaked visuals wasn't the best, they provided key insights into the design of the Switch 2. From what fans could see, it appears that Nintendo has opted for a design that is similar to the original Switch, but with a larger form factor and potentially more power under the hood. The leaked images suggested that the hybrid nature of the console, the ability to be used both as a handheld and a home console, would be preserved, but with improvements in performance that could handle the next generation of games more effectively. Fans are particularly excited by the prospect of a more powerful version of the Switch, one that could deliver enhanced graphics and smoother gameplay while still being portable. As of now, the exact specifications and features of the Nintendo Switch 2 remain speculative, with much of the information coming from leaks and rumors. However, if these leaks are accurate, it's clear that the Switch 2 will be an upgraded version of the beloved original, offering more power and performance without straying too far from the core identity that made the first Switch so successful. Fans can expect the new console to retain the hybrid functionality that allows it to be used both as a portable handheld device and a traditional home console, but with improved capabilities that should enhance the gaming experience for both casual and hardcore gamers alike. One of the most talked about aspects of the Switch 2 is its potential price. Leaks have suggested that the new console could come with a hefty price tag, leaving some fans questioning whether the new features and improvements will justify the higher cost. While Nintendo has not confirmed any pricing details, the speculation surrounding the price point has sparked debate among fans. Some believe that the added power and upgraded features will make the higher cost worthwhile, while others worry that it could alienate potential buyers who are hoping for a more affordable option. Despite the uncertainty surrounding the price and the exact details of the console, the excitement surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2 remains palpable. Fans are eagerly awaiting official announcements from Nintendo, hoping for clarity on both the release date and the features that will come with the new console. In the meantime, the leaks have only fueled the excitement, with many gamers already envisioning what the next generation of Switch might look like in their hands. With production already underway and accessories for the Switch 2 already being designed and leaked, it seems only a matter of time before Nintendo pulls back the curtain and reveals the full picture.